All right, we got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter. We're going to be replacing the air filter. So then, as you can see, our air filter is right over here. We're going to be taking this bar out. We're going to be taking out two bolts, which is this one over here and this one over here. We're going to grab our impact. We're going to grab a 12mm socket and gun it out. Once that's out, go ahead and go over here. Take that one out as well. Be careful not to drop it. Now what you're going to do is grab it, slide it up, and put it to the side. Now that that's out, now the next step over here is to get these clips out. There should be a grand total of 3. Take that one out and that one out. Go ahead and grab this up. Be very careful. Give yourself enough space. Now with enough space, let's go ahead and grab our air filter. Lift it up a little bit and pull out. So normally what I would do is just grab it with both hands, but in this case I can't, so let's just go ahead and grab it out. And now with the air filter out, now we're going to grab our new one.